Jeep hadn't created a large, opulent SUV before the Grand Wagoneer. It has 3 rows and up to 8 seats, including upmarket materials and features. The long-wheelbase Grand Wagoneer L features extra storage space. Unfortunately, the longer version is also more difficult to maneuver. The largest Jeep gets barely 16 miles per gallon combined, regardless of length. It's not a V8, but a twin-turbo 6-cylinder with 510 horsepower. The 2023 Jeep Grand Wagoneer's engine should bring it and its load there on time and in comfort. Jeep Wagoneer is a less priced, less elegant alternative to the Cadillac Escalade. Grand Wagoneer L arrives in 2023. It's a foot longer overall and has a 7-inch larger wheelbase than the conventional Wagoneer. These extensions add cargo space behind all 3 rows. Stellantis' new Hurricane engine is a twin-turbo 3.0-liter inline-6 that delivers 510 horsepower and 500 lb-ft of torque. Jeep hasn't specified if the Hurricane would be standard on the shorter Grand Wagoneer, which previously only had a 471 horsepower V8.